Hey, it's no secret that Shilpa Shetty Kundra is a big fan of food. The actress, model, and businesswoman has been known to put on a few pounds here and there. But this time she's taken her love for good eats even further by talking about an entirely new diet plan for us. The Shilpa Shetty Kundra diet plan. If you don't know her yet, Shilpa Shetty is an Indian film actress. She has established herself as one of the most successful actresses in Bollywood. She has acted in more than 80 films and many TV serials. She is known for her roles in the films Jai Bhagwan, Dil De ChukeSanam, Kaanchi, and Henna. She studied at Carmel Convent Senior Secondary School, Mumbai Municipal Corporation School No. 6, and Leo Junior College, Goregaon, Mumbai. She married businessman Rishi Bhatnagar on the 11th of October 1981 at Hridaya, Mandir, Oshiwara, Navi, Mumbai. I have been on the diet plan since a month now. I'm working out 3 times a day, doing cardio, and I have to manage my diet as well, Ms. Shetty told India Today magazine in an interview that was posted on the web over this weekend. My Aries belt is digging at me and I can feel it. So I'm trying to lose weight, she added. The actress also revealed how her new diet plan works. I'm having 2 breakfasts in the morning and 2 littles before lunch, then 2 more meals for lunch, then a late night snack before dinner. So what's on this new revolutionary diet? I'm still eating my food. I'm just not eating it at the same time, Shilpa revealed. I would rather have 6 meals a day than 3 meals. One thing that has changed is I don't eat rice during lunch anymore or rotis and dal. Ms. Shetty added that she also relies on eggs, fruits, and veggies to help her reach her goals. I started eating eggs again, which I had stopped because of my problem with cholesterol. I don't have to lose so much weight. I've just got to get rid of my belly. So I'm not going to count calories, she said. I feel better than before and have more energy because my brain is working well. I'm looking at the good side of things. My problem is that rice is my weakness. Not eating rice at lunchtime makes me feel bad, but it will happen. And as for health benefits, Shilpa revealed that she's already feeling them. My eyes are bright and I have more strength in the mornings. I don't feel tired anymore. I feel lighter because I'm not feeling bloated. My stomach is going down. I'm not counting all the carbohydrates and proteins, but I'm managing to keep my weight and cardio levels. I have more energy. So does Ms. Shetty think her diet is something that other people should try? I've tried diets before, but this one was different. I feel healthy and energetic. More importantly, I feel like a normal human being again, she said. I want to inspire people. Even if you don't want to lose weight, adopt some of my tips just for the health benefits alone. This is the first time I've been able to push away from the table and not feel like eating. Why are some diets so hard for some people? So you're working out regularly, but can't seem to shed all that unwanted weight? According to Shilpa, the secret lies in eating more. I was restricted to just 3 breakfasts and 3 dinners a day. I need to eat 6 regular meals a day because I have tried dieting before and it didn't work. Shilpa says she's able to get past this restriction by keeping full meals in mind. I have been having 3 breakfasts a day and 2 lunches. I am also eating 6-8 fruits and vegetables every day. That helps me feel light at the end of the meal. This is what helps me drop some weight. If you have a balanced diet, you won't have a problem. The actress doesn't recommend cutting out entire food groups like she used to try. I was on a diet for 2 months and it didn't work. I think people need to focus on the food that nourishes the body and not restrict themselves from eating things such as rice or fruits, she said. They say that carrots are good for the eyes, but I don't believe it. Chia seeds are good, but again, I don't think so. There are many claims about every single thing that we eat, Ms. Shetty added. Last but not least, Shilpa also says that her new diet plan has helped her with food cravings. There was this one time when I was on tour promoting my film. I had consumed so much alcohol and fried food. After the promotions were over, I told myself that I could eat whatever I want. So for days, I would end up eating 4 or 5 cans of chicken noodles. But then one day it just hit me when my mother said she was going to make a Shahi Paneer and aloo gobi curry for dinner. I was so irritated thinking that I was going to eat that again. I made an English dish instead. It just reminded me of what a diet can do and how it could ruin everything. I realized that the diet has to be flexible. Should you try this new diet? According to Shilpa, she's already tried and tested her diet plan and it works. I tried this diet earlier too, but I couldn't stick to it because I used to get so hungry. In between my 3 meals in the day, I would go crazy. But I made a commitment to my trainer this time, so I'm sticking with it, she concluded. The reason that many celebrity diets don't seem to work for everyday people can be attributed to what some researchers have speculated is a difference in the way that slim people and overweight people process food. In other words, they believe that slim people eat differently from their overweight counterparts when eating the same foods at the same times. That's right. Just like some people can smoke without a cigarette addiction, while others can have just one, it also appears possible that some people might be biologically wired to eat certain foods in larger quantities than others. If you struggle with the same food cravings or the inability to lose weight no matter what you try, a diet plan designed by a celebrity might not work for you. Before deciding on a new diet plan or buying into the claims of any miracle cure, consider doing your own research first. Shilpa doesn't want people to believe that her new diet plan is for everyone. I don't want people to start thinking that I'm a nutritionist or a doctor who can give medical advice, the actress says. My diet plan is just there for inspiration. Her diet plan has 4 basic principles. First, she wants people who want to lose weight or become healthy to remember the basics. You must drink a lot of water and then eat a lot of food. I usually have 4 cups of coffee in the morning, which is actually something that's bad for most people, Shilpa says. But it doesn't really affect me. The second thing that Shilpa recommends is forsaking white foods, such as milk and breads, for brown foods. Remember, we are not all made equal, she warns. Third, Shilpa suggests that people with sensitive stomachs avoid foods like milk products and wheat products. These products can make people feel bloated and uncomfortable, Shilpa Shetty said. Finally, Shilpa says that her new diet plan has helped her manage the food cravings. So if you try it, you'll probably feel better in your daily life. We hope you loved this diet. It's a great way to start improving your health. Don't hesitate to give us some personal feedback in the comments below. Thanks for watching this video, and if you want more videos on how to boost your metabolism, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on future videos.